Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Civil Side with Satyam. I am Satyam and I am here to explore everything about civil engineering, construction technology and project management. Today's topic is really interesting. We are going to talk about Bexel Manager. So, what is, why we use it and how it helps to construction project management. So, stay tuned till the end video to understand how the powerful BIM tool can make the project work smarter and more efficient. So, moving ahead, what is Bexel Manager? Bexel Manager is an integrated BIM software which is used for 3D modeling, cost estimation, scheduling, and project control. It supports 4D and 5D BIM management. What is 4D? 4D is a time and 5D is a cost. It considers design, time, and cost data in a single digital environment. Okay, so it is designed to deliveries all in one platform. Moving ahead, so why we want to Bexel Manager? To digitize the project planning and control, to reduce the manual error in cost and schedule estimation, to improve coordination among design, planning and execution team, to visualize the construction process and before the actual work began, to achieve accuracy and efficiency and transparency in the management. What is key uses of a Bexel Manager? Key user we wanted what is quantity takeoff. The quantity takeoff is a technique which are the auto calculate the material quantities, just like what is the concrete, cement, what is the resource we use is known as quantity takeoff. Cost estimation. Cost estimation is a 5D. It is where the linking the quantities to cost item and rates. Third is a scheduling, which is 4D. Connect the model element to the time-based activities. Fourth is clarity detection. Identify the design conflict and clear. What is the architectural drawing and structural drawing? What element is conflict between? So we know detection about clash detection. Progress monitoring. Compare plan and actual work. What is the uses of advantage of Bexel Use Manager? So it is an integrated BIM platform, whereas combine the all cost, time and design in one software. Automation saves times and reduce human error. Visualization 3D, 4D and 5D simulation for the better understanding. Accuracy improve quality of the cost and schedule data. Coordination enhance the team collaboration. Reporting generate professional outputs. So what we can do with the Bexel Manager? First we requirement of a Revit file which is IFC format. Perform quantity takeoff of all material. Create BOQ and cost estimation. Link activity and simulate 4D construction sequence. Monitor the project progress and the cost performance. Analyze the resource. So today we continue about Bexel Manager software. So where we learn about quantity takeoff, how the quantity takeoff perform is done, how to costumate, how to 4D simulation is doing. So these types of activities where today will start. So connect with us, subscribe my channel and thank you.